Hello guys, how are you doing today? Um, I don't want you to ignore all of these vacancies I have been dropping. Some are for nurses, some are for healthcare practitioner. How do I put it now? It's for healthcare sector, but not only for health practitioner. What I mean is that it's not for doctors, it's not for nurses, but it's in a health environment. So you don't need to have a degree in nursing you don't even have to be a science student to apply for some of this job. Most importantly is that you learn on this job one. Another thing is that some of these job require that you have the knowledge, and this knowledge can be derived from websites. You can learn from all of these things online. For example, you can check um Key Academy, Florence Academy, you can check Alison. All of these things you can learn them online, and automatically the information you get from this from these platforms are automatically part of you already, and you will see that you will be able to use them. Then in your CV, include those courses you did in your CV and the month and year. For example, if you've learned first aid in maybe Florence Academy, you will get a certificate immediately. Then you put it in your CV that you have certificate in first aid from Florence Academy. My brother, my sister, it goes a long way for your employer that is outside your home country. Do you understand now? Usually employers in UK. All of these all of these websites I've mentioned are well recognized in the UK outside your home country. So please don't ignore all of these positions. Don't say it's for a health worker, it's for a nurse, it's for a doctor. No, it's not for nurses and doctors alone. Some doctors, some nurses even have to step down their role due to maybe some professional exam they ought to have to probably work as a nurse. They have to come down to a lower level to just embrace this opportunity first, then they can then climb the ladder into their own profession using their own qualification. So guys, this thing is for everybody. So this particular one is a system support analyst, and this job comes with sponsorship. As you can see, it comes with sponsorship, and this is posted 3 days ago. It's posted 3 days ago, so it's still fresh. And this is if we look at the job summary, you can see this is coming from NHS. That's the University Hospital Birmingham NHS Foundation Trust. And this trust is giving sponsorship. So the job summary is that we require an innovative, organized, and dynamic system support analyst to join our PMO team at Health Innovation West Midlands. You will play an active role configuring, administering, and maintaining our internal IT system, implementing workforce that promotes engagement through user-centric designs. Okay, so now just check all of these things for all the information that you need. Now, the main duties, the tasks, and the skills required are here. Now, the responsibility for administration, configuration, and maintenance of existing IT systems that fall within the corporate and PMO team portfolio. This is more of an IT job. This is more of an IT job. Regression, testing of potential configuration changes to understand and mitigate any negative impact, contribute to or make comment on departmental policies and procedures that impact on IT systems falling within the remit of the corporate services team. This is more of an IT work, and I hope somebody will be able to embrace this. Knowledge of public APIs. I hope somebody will be able to embrace this. And as you can see, this is a recognized leading NHS Foundation Trust in the UK. So don't sleep on these guys. I'm just gonna move straight to the qualifications. This is just GCE maths or equivalent, GCE English or equivalent, education or degree level 1 in competitive discipline or have equivalent relevant experience. So this is actually something that a lot of people can apply for. Desirable, okay, ITIL foundation level. I don't know what that means. Yeah, SAAS certification or training. I know This is a space that a lot of people will be willing to apply for. And the essential skills: one, knowledge of a range of statistics, numerical techniques and procedure, working within an help desk environment, the experience of supporting an IT project with technical skills, knowledge of a Microsoft application, Word, Excel to an advanced level, knowledge of SaaS configurations. All of these things are jobs that people can really apply to, you know. So please, if you feel that this job is something you can apply for, go ahead, click on the application link on the application on the comment section and apply for this job. If you think you're not good enough for this, send this link to somebody that you know that is good enough. It's an IT work. It's more of an IT work, not a medical work. But this role is being, it's vacant in an health organization. Do you understand? That's how it works. So, guys, you can see there is a certificate of a sponsorship for this job. So please apply. One of the things you're going to need for this job is also criminal records certificate. That's police report. So police character certificate. So, and this is closing on the 29th of February. So guys, rush this and share with people who you believe would need this opportunity within and outside the UK. See you guys later. I just need to drop this for you. Bye.